Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. How have you all been? It's been a hot minute. Hope everybody's been well, had a good holiday season, had a lot of time with friends, family, celebrating whatever you guys celebrate. I am not feeling the greatest. I'm a little under the weather today, not feeling too whoopee, so I'm going to make this quick. I don't really have any tutorials for you right now. Like I said, just kind of pooped, not feeling too good, so I just wanted to throw together a quick video saying hi, happy holidays. I have a quick little haul, I guess, video kind of to show you. I ordered some stuff off of Shein and I wanted to show you guys what I got, so we're going to go through some of that. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Shein. I like their clothes. I got the sweater off of there. I like their clothes. Their clothes are very cheap, affordable, but really good quality. I've never had any issues with their clothing. Very comfortable. I'm a plus size gal, so I'm a little bit bigger of a girl, and I've never had any issues finding clothes that fit me on there. Very comfortable, and so I took a gander on their website and wanted to see if they had any kind of decent crafty kind of stuff. I do a lot of knitting and crocheting. I don't know if a lot of you know this, but I'm also into stamped cross stitch, and I kind of dabble in embroidery a little bit. I like to embroider. I used to do that years ago when I was much younger. I haven't really done so much in the last few years, but so I took a peek around on their website and thought, well, I wonder if they have any good embroidery stuff. So I got on there and I got some embroidery type stuff, I guess. I think it's embroider. So I got a few kits. They had some really cheap, just like a couple bucks. So I thought I'd get a few kits and try them out. But I got a few little pins and different things that I thought were cute. So I wanted to show you guys my haul. Like I said, I'm losing my voice. I don't feel too good today. So this is something, I don't know what's up with Silly Goose. I don't know if you guys have kids, and my kids are teenagers and older. They always go around saying Silly Goose. I don't know what that's about, but my kids are into that. I don't know. So I found this pen. It's probably going to show up backwards on the camera, but it says Silly Goose Association. I don't know. I got that from my daughter. She is always calling her brother Silly Goose. So I don't know what that means, but I thought it was cute. So it was like 93 cents, I think. So I got that for her. And let's see, I got another pen. I don't know what I'll do with it. I think this one I got for me. So I don't know that I've really posted anything about the movie The Labyrinth. I don't know if you guys have seen that. It came out in 1986. It's a Jim Henson film. I am obsessed with that movie. That movie came out, I was little, like itty bitty little, like not even in school yet, and I am obsessed with that movie. I know that movie word for word. I can quote it forwards and backwards. I love David Bowie, love Jennifer Connelly. I'm obsessed with Jim Henson. And so I found this pen. This is William the Worm. He's one of the characters. He's a little Muppet. He had a very tiny part, but one of the things he says is hello. And so people have posted different clips and reels and stuff on TikTok, so I'm sure you've seen it, but there's a part in it where Sarah, who's the little girl, ironically enough, her name is Sarah too, she is in the labyrinth and she meets William the Worm, and she said, he comes up to her and he says, hello, and she says, did you say hello? And he says, no, I said hello, but that's close enough. And so he's one of my favorite characters, and his name is William the Worm. So I thought that was so cute, and so I'm excited I found a William the Worm pin. So I'll probably put that like on my purse strap or something, but I found that on Shein and I was so excited. I was like, I found William the Worm. So got myself a William the Worm pin. And this one, I found another pen. They have so many neat, cool, like pop culture type stuff on there too. My husband is obsessed with the movie The Goonies, also another 80s one. He loved that one when he was a kid. And if you've seen The Goonies, it's a cute movie. It's not like one of my absolute favorites, but he loves it. Is Goonies Never Say Die. I guess it's a line in the movie. So I got him that. Shh, don't tell him. He doesn't watch my videos on TikTok. So I got The Goonies Never Say Die for him, because he likes The Goonies. Okay, so enough with the pins. Now we're going to crack into these. I guess this is a printed cross stitch kit. Okay, so some of these are cross stitch kits. I didn't look too closely at that. That's okay. I love doing stamped cross stitch kits, so they're kind of like naturey, like flower type themes. Okay, so these will probably, I'm getting a lot of glare. I'll probably just have to open these. Let me see if I can open them without tearing the cellophane up too much. So they come with all the floss, the embroidery floss that you need. And so they're numbered. I don't know if you can see that, but they put the numbers on there. And then I guess that's probably your needles, I would guess. And so they're pretty small. So I like these smaller ones. They don't take me too long to do. And then they have like a key or a code over here that you do. And so whatever number is on the floss card, that's the number that you do over here. And then it's color coded so you know which one to do. But those are cute. And like I said, I like the smaller ones because they're just kind of, I call them snack size. They're kind of little. And they don't take very long, and they're fun and quick and easy to do. I thought they were all like embroidery, but I guess these were stamped cross stitch. So I got that one. And then this one is kind of the same thing. It's another flower with a bumblebee. It's just a different flower, I guess. And this one is stamped cross stitch also, but it's little mushroom and flowers. That one's more detailed. And this one, I love this one. It's kind of a nighttime one. It's a little bit more detailed. I'm trying to show you without the glare. There we go. That's a better view. This one I think is probably my favorite because it's got the dark background. It's got a little snail. I think snails are cute. And then it's got little mushrooms. Ooh, now I don't know. I may like this one even better than the last one. It's got the blue mushroom and the butterflies in the dark background. It's got little daisies. So those, I guess, were, so these are the embroidery ones. Okay, I was wondering why some of them came with hoops and those didn't, so that makes sense. So these, let me open these up. These are a little bit bigger. Oh, and that's cute, and it comes with like little embroidery floss cards. I'll show you what I'm talking about here instead of. So these are a bit bigger. They came with little plastic hoops. And then it looks like they sent like a little needle threader. So that's what that is. It has a little wire and you pop that through the needle and then put your floss through it and then you can pull it through the needle and threads the needle for you. And it came with these little plastic cards that you can wrap your floss around. And then it also comes with, looks like directions. It's got a little bag inside of a bag. Now this is a little bit nicer. This is like more like a pouch. It's like never-ending bags here. Okay, so this has the, like it gives you a kind of a direction on what stitches to use, like embroidery stitches. It gives more detail, I guess, kind of like a lesson on how to do those stitches if you're not familiar with them. Oh, wow. Okay. So this has a lot of floss, I guess, because if you're doing like the fill-in stitch, I don't know what that's called, I can't remember, but so you're like literally filling in the entire thing. Oh, that's pretty. And then it's got like some like different pearls and wood beads, it looks like, but that's all the floss they provide for you. And then this is the iron-on. Oh, that was my cat. I don't know if you heard her. She was moaning and groaning. She was jumping out of the window. So there's the little mushroom, the snail, and then it gives you the lines and you stitch over them. But I think, yeah, it looks like you're supposed to kind of fill in a lot of that. Like the mushroom cap, the top part, you're supposed to like fill in all of that with thread. So these are really pretty. Initially I got these for my mom. She is she's in a nursing home, and so she had talked about wanting to do some of these, you know, give her something to do while she's laying in bed and things like that. She used to do a lot of embroidery years ago when I was a kid, and so she has talked about wanting to pick up embroidery again and do stuff like that. So I had initially got some of these for her to do, so I think she may enjoy something like this. She talked about wanting to do like tea towels and stuff, but I think this would be something easy enough that she would probably want to pick up and do. She watches a lot of TV, but I think this would be something that's more productive for her that she might enjoy. So that's one of them, and then I'm not going to open all of them because I feel like that was probably going to take forever if I go through each one of them, but I got one. You can't really see it because they stuck the stickers across them, but there's one I got that's like an owl. I love owls, so I got that one. And then I got one that's a mushroom, where there's two mushrooms, and it's got some flowers. Like I said, they're not being real helpful for me here to show you guys these because they stuck the stickers across the pictures. Well, anyway, I got a few more that, this one has like 3 mushrooms on it and flowers. And then this one I got, it has kind of a squirrel holding like a walnut and some flowers. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then, like I said, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the cross stitch ones, but these are real tiny. So those won't take me very long, but yeah, I got those, and I hope you guys found this video fun and informative. And anyway, yeah, so thanks for joining me. I'm glad I popped on here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.